Hi, in this video I will be demonstrating how we can use the StegHide tools to conceal the uh, text file to a image file. So for that we need to install the StegHide. I believe I have previously installed the StegHide software. So for now I will just check my directory by entering ls, and so here we have a file name premtamang.part2b.txt. So I will just check the content of that file. So what I can do is get to b.txt. It does have the content we need. So for like hiding and that text file content to image, I will just execute a command which is StegHide. Sorry, it's not exact, but embed. I'll just do here, so my file name which is 2b.txt, and apply the options, and I believe which is my file name. Let me just check. Before that, let me just check my file name. So file name is Cheng, so in which I will be like embedding the my premkumar.part2b.txt file. So what I will do is I'll just run StegHide embed -ef premkumar2b.txt-ef for option, and the chain run plus file. So as soon as we execute this command, it will embed that premkumar.part2b.txt file to the chain on splash.jpg, but the content will only be embedded, so another file won't be created for now. If we do, for the password I will just set to test. Again I will just enter the password test. So it says that it has been embedded to the thing on splash.jpg. For now I will just check the list of files by doing ls. Any file has not been created yet, so for the like to be on safe side, I will just remove my old premkumar dot part b.txt, and if we do ls once again, there is no reverse file. So to like extract the same embedded file which is in the this cheng.on/.jpg, I will just execute a command with StegHide. So that will be StegHide extract -sf. Sorry, our file name is cheng.jpg. If I do execute and enter the password is, so it says that it extracted the data. Let me just check the files. So the previous embedded file is here. Let me just check the content of it. So if I do execute file name .txt, yeah, it has successfully we have successfully extracted the same information that was embedded to that thing on its plus file. So it is the end of the video about embedding a text file to a image file in Linux using StegHide.